Hi, I'm Paul from Cmetrics, and today we're going to clear the batch totals on an AG3000 or iMAG 4700 meter. In order to clear the batch totals, first we have to get to the batch totals. So hold the right arrow, and while holding the right arrow, tap the up arrow 7 times. And it will change to reverse total, net total, forward batch. So to clear this, what we want to do is tap the right arrow 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear to 0 in order to return it back to forward total or whatever else you want to move it to. Hold the right arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're back to forward total. And that's how we reset the batch total on an AG3000 or iMAG 4700 meter.